Today's adventure is Candy Carrier Chaos! That's right, the Candy Canyon Kingdom has been robbed of their most valuable resource, maple syrup! It's up to you to bring the rotten bandits who stole it to sweet, buttery justice.
An entire kingdom of candy sounds sticky.
Very sticky indeed.
Sounds...
Bubble, you can't say that.
No.
Zooble, wait! I'm testing out a new AI on this one! It should be 57 times more immersive!
Ooh, a new AI? You don't want to mess with the new AI, Zooble?
Yeah. No.
Why are you all just standing there? The Candy Kingdom needs you now!